sign language with this song. This is Jesus Loves Me. And then a special verse, Daddy Loves Me. Yep, all right, get your Jesus fingers ready. Here we go, and sing. Jesus loves me, this I know, for